2021, February 20th, Tsukuba Circuit. Winter at Tsukuba means time attack. There he is. Attack Tsukuba 2021 was held today. This machine arrived. GeForce GR Yaris Tsukuba Circuit Time Attack Volume 2. Today is the performance day for 2021 Time Attack. Best time maker, Nobu Taniguchi. Nobu Taniguchi is going for race GR Yaris for the first time at Tsukuba. High raise Potenza RA12D 255 size marked 1 minute 3.1 second. Last week, I did a shakedown kind of testing. Then it marked 59.9 seconds. The GeForce goal, which was to race in 1 minute, was achieved already last week. But well, today is the performance day. I'm gonna try even faster. Radial tires, we used one last week. Today we prepared new ones. It would be great if I could get 58 seconds. I'm dreaming about it. It's not gonna be easy though. We'll get the best record with radial tires. And we'll also try S tires. Oh, we might break that record of that company. I'm sensing it. HKS's record-breaking story can be read in Options February edition. It's gonna be a scandal. With this GeForce Yaris. With this GeForce Yaris, I'm going to aim to be the best at Tsukuba with both radial and S tires. GeForce Mr. Tazawa. This car is supposed to attack at Tsukuba eventually. GeForce GR Yaris RZ grade cost about 4.5 million yen. Our goal was to finish within a minute, but we succeeded already last week. Today we are trying for the 58-second range. The spec is... Eventually we succeeded in reducing about 100 kilograms from the normal weight. Car weighs about 1,180 kilograms now. The suspension is originally made. The shock absorber is original. Spring is 14 kilograms for front and 16 kilograms for rear. Front and rear differentials are factory LSD initial up. K&N air filter with one-off titanium mufflers. Motec controls boost up and performs 410 horsepower. Horsepower is about 410. The aiming time is 58.7 seconds with radial tires. Radial tires are Potenza RE12D Type A. S tires are Advan A050. Nobu is focusing for the time attack. The measurement is in 2 laps. Can he make it? 58-second range. Replay full lap on board. I did it! G-Force Yaris 58.7 seconds. With the radial tires, we are the fastest now. G-Force is ready to beat HKS. With S tires, we're gonna beat HKS's 58.4. Your suit says HKS. Then HKS is gonna have to work hard. Very happy, Mr. Tazawa. 58.7 seconds as I planned. With S tires, I want 58.3 seconds. S tires are faster. You don't change anything else? No. Because we have no data. I'm going to attack again with S tires. It's 10:30 now. The temperature is rising and conditions are worse than in the previous attack. Well, I'm excited to see how it goes with S tires. Very first attack was S tires. We failed. 58.573 seconds. Are you dissatisfied? I need 0.2 seconds faster. Well, as I told you on Nobu channel, last week I finished within a minute with used radial tires. Today is the performance day with new tires. Last week I finished within a minute with used radial tires. Today is the performance day with new tires. We bought the finished car. Today we aimed for 58-second range with radial tires. The temperature and road conditions were good this morning. The new tires performed well. We marked 58-second range. It was 58.7 seconds. So G-Force was satisfied. It felt great for me as I drove too. There are a few parts that can be improved. It's gonna be our next homework. Stepping back the acceleration caused a little delay to rotate the engine. The attack itself was a success. I was surprised to see the time. At a bit before noon, we installed S tires. Then we tried to break HKS record. But the temperature rose and we didn't test S tires before, so the time was 58.5 seconds, which was 0.2 seconds faster. But we couldn't reach HKS's 58.4. With radial tires, 58.7 was such a happy moment. But we didn't reach HKS, so the happiness is gone. That's a little sad. But Yaris is great. Super easy to ride and fast. I'm impressed. No, you are impressive. Stay tuned for the next time attack challenge. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.